Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me once again for another great video unboxing. Today I got another unboxing for you. Those of you who do not know, I'm a Street Fighter fan, and I've always been playing with the remote control. Very good at it. However, I decided to step it up a bit and try going pro. Sorry, with a fight stick. Now I saw the design, I saw the art for this one, and I loved it. Okay, this is the Razer edition fight stick, and this is a pro stick, Street Fighter 5 edition. Okay, it's really nice stick. PS3 and PS4. As you can see, I'm a little sick, so just bear with me. Okay, I'll show it to you a little closer. Okay, so let's open it up and get ready for it. I'll show you how it is inside. So the box comes within the box. You can see for gamers by gamers, it says. Let's figure out how to open this thing. Just pull it out and I'll show it how you, let me see. How do you open this thing up? Okay, now I see it. Okay. Pull this up. This. Okay. Of course, we got a cover over here. Okay. The cover, so this is beautiful. Wow. This is a beautiful stick, guys. Gorgeous stick. Gorgeous stick. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Beautiful. I mean, the first thing I love about the stick is the art. Beautiful art. My favorite character is Akuma, so of course when I saw this, I said I had to have it. Pretty heavy stick. Pretty heavy, guys. I've never held any other stick, so I'm not sure how the other sticks feel. But this is a pretty heavy stick. Pretty heavy. Move this out of the way for you guys. Show it to you. How nice this stick is. Okay, let's look at this stick. Very nice design. Got your regular switch, your PlayStation switch to switch to DRR, PS, PS3, 4, lock and unlock, and your L3 and R3 buttons. The other buttons, of course, on the side. Okay, which is your share button and your options button. Of course, your Razer logo here, and let's see, is there anything in the back? And your connector port right there. Now let's open it up. So just move back a bit. Oops, shit. This up for you guys. So when you open it up, you got your wiring, you got all your stuff in here, your explanation for this diagram for all the explanation stuff. Because you got your cable, connector cable to your system. Okay, I'm gonna put it right here. Overall, love the design. Love how this beautiful stick looks. I'm going to try it out once I get a chance. And here's the bottom. Bottom's pretty, I like the bottom because it's made out of rubber, the whole thing, so it will not move. It won't stop you from enjoying that game you play, whether Street Fighter vs. Tekken, or Street Fighter 5, Ultra Street Fighter 4. or whatever you guys play Marvel vs. Capcom. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video unboxing. Rate, comment, and subscribe, guys. Stay tuned for more videos, and a lot of good videos are coming up soon, including the Oni that was just announced to be for shipment in the next couple of weeks, which I cannot wait for, and more Street Fighter statues and Predator stuff and Venom stuff. So stay tuned. You will not want to miss subscribe, because this is the channel to be at. Have a good one, guys.